love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today in the entire Python, it is chapter 87. And as I mentioned in the previous lecture, this is a SciPy Lesson 2, SciPython. And we are on the constants. And this is the third and the final part module of constants. And tomorrow we'll be continuing a new chapter. So we all know about the constants. We all know it has been used in the data science. So let's actually use few things here. So this actually gives us the entire thing which is there in the constants module, which is what we saw. And today we'll be seeing 6 more of the things. So what are they? If you want to have a volume is in a cubic meter, like a volume is a liter, whatever this thing, it actually comes as a volume. A liter, gallon, fluid ounce, barrel, BBL. So this thing, if you see like, the BBL and stuff of that nature, it should be somewhere here, the BBL barrel. So these are all like, the volumes. So it actually gives the answer here. Now going, if you want to see the speed, whether it is 100 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour, the speed of sound, etc., etc. These are all called the speeds. So I take this, I do this here, constants, kilometer per hour, miles per hour, the Mach sound, the speed of the sound, and the knots. The knots is basically the nautical. So this is a knot. So these are the things which is there. Now the temperature. The temperature is basically a Celsius or the Fahrenheit. There's a temperature. So Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, this is this thing. And this is what we actually find. So the energy. The energy is actually written in the joules. This is also called as the electron volt, calorie. These things are called the energy. So if you actually see, if I actually take it, and if I actually run it, these things are the called constants. And this is what I'm actually getting. Okay. So the final command that we'll be seeing is the power. So what is the power? Like the horsepower or the HP. So how many powers it has been used. So the horsepower and stuff. So this is the thing from SciPy, import the constants. So we have a HP and the horsepower. And when we actually run it, this is the answer that we get. So both are the same. So these are the 13 or the 14 commands in the constants. So, coming into 3 modules. So we all know the constants. We all know how to find the different modules existing by using the directory command. And we all know how to actually group like the volumes, the pressure, the temperatures, the speeds of the nature. And, we have actually found the corresponding values. I trust you have actually seen my lecture. Probably enjoyed it, probably understood it. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to explain. I'll actually, try to explain to the best of my abilities. Like always, I like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayeshi following me to follow my passion. So till we see next time, I really want to thank you. Take care and cheers.